Good day, AAG. Hope you have been fine. Now, the event that we have been waiting for is finally here. Our AAG Mega Launch event is happening on the 17th of May on a Monday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. We call it Upshift because this is an event that will shift up your learning gear and your earning power as a result. Now, for those of you who just joined us, welcome to AAG. Every year at AAG, we have a mega launch event where we launch something new and exciting for AAG. Could be tech, could be non-tech. But the key here is that every year we prepare you ahead of the year's challenges. And this year, we are bringing it back after stopping it for 1 year due to circuit breaker. Last year, we didn't have it. But this year, we're going to have it on an online session so that you can watch from the comfort of your home. Now, in this event, we are also doing our 2020 award presentation for those people who succeed in last year's. Upshift event supposed to be in April, but we took a collective decision to push it back another 2 more weeks because we decided that we should embrace all the agents who have merged with us this year so that we can also celebrate their success. Starting from 1st Jan, a lot of existing Orange Tea divisions choose to switch over to merge with AAG. And I think it's important for us to welcome them. And what's the best way to welcome them is to honor their success together. So this year, I'm adding additional 100 trophy just specially for them. And I also added another 100 trophy for our existing AAG agent. So in total, 250 trophies is going to be expected for our agents to celebrate their success. And to me, the delay by another 2 weeks is well worth it. Now, I'm also very grateful and honored and touched to learn that many of these division heads who just joined us wanted to contribute back to AAG. And they actually sponsor a lot of the prizes here together with my existing AAG division head. So because of that, this year's lucky draw is all ho liao. In Chinese, we call it all good stuff. And let me take you through some of the exciting prizes that you can win in the lucky draw. As you know, nowadays it's all video trend. You're supposed to know how to do video editing, but your laptop is too slow. For a good video editing, you need a good graphics card. And a good graphics card comes from a gaming laptop nowadays. One of the prize is a gaming laptop worth $1,800 for your video editing. Then, as you know, government has just returned us to phase 2, and we are supposed to do as many virtual viewing as possible. And the best way to do it is through virtual tour. So for that, one of the prize is Theater Z1. If you Google Theater Z1, this 4K 360 camera is worth $1,438. And with that, you will be able to capture high-resolution 4K videos in 360 as well as images. And that will make your property look high quality. And some of you may have not heard, Orange Tea have already launched an OTT analyzer for all of us. Basically, it's a charting analysis app provided to all the Orange Tea agents to allow you to do charting analysis similar to SRX Analyzer, which of course they charge a very high price, but in Orange Tea we got it for free. And what's the best way to display all the chart from the OTT Analyzer is by using a big screen, right? Such as an iPad Pro. So for this lucky draw, one of the prize is iPad Pro worth $1,419. And for ladies, if you still prefer a bigger screen, but prefer something that can slip into your handbag, one of the prize also is iPad Mini, easily for you to carry around, and yet Instant Pro and OTT Analyzer looks great on a larger screen. Many of us have been watching YouTube to learn things, and the best way to learn from YouTube is to view it on a bigger screen. So one of the price is a 55-inch Prism TV that the original retail price is $1,169. This is going to allow you to enjoy all the great video production from AAG Media Channel onto your big screen in your living room. And for those of you still using old iPhone, one of the price is the latest iPhone 12. and 256 gig, and this one is worth 1,539. For many of us, COVID-19 has taught us to be more health conscious. We started to do a lot of exercise, monitor our health, and the best way to do that is through a Apple Watch. And this is one of the prize that you can win. You know, while I drive, I can still pick up a phone, call easily. Even when I want to call Hui Ting, I will just pick up my hands, wrist like that and say, call my assistant, and the Apple Watch will call Hui Ting while I drive without me touching any button. And if there's an SMS that come in, I can even reply SMS using my voice, or even WhatsApp, I can reply using my voice while driving. So this is very helpful for many of us, and that's Apple Watch. As you know, the COVID situation is now heightened up again. So there's very likely chance that we're going to have more Zoom session than before. And that's why one of my favorite prize is a Sony noise cancellation headphone called WM4, which retail for about $549. And this particular headphone uses noise cancelling technology that they use in the airplane for the pilot. So you put out and suddenly all the sound around you will be quiet, and it's very comfortable for long hours listening, and it can be connected to your handphone or even to your laptop. Let's take a look at the demo.
No, it's because they dragged her up on stage, you end up winning bingo. It was so
fun. Noise cancelling.
While we encourage digital signing, there will be situations where you really need physical documents because your client could be an elderly or certain document needs to be in hard copy and wet in. So for that, you will wish you have a printer with you. So the next prize is a Epson Workforce portable printer worth $449. And this printer is a full battery operated printer that comes with a car charger. Yes, I kept that in my own car as well. In fact, it helped me rescue one deal years back when I was doing an OTP for lender owner. I closed a deal, but then the lender owner want to make some amendment to the option. Now, in olden days, you have to go back to redo the OTP to come back. But for me, that day, I simply go to my car, pick up the portable printer, put on the dining table, modify the OTP, and then print on the spot, and we close the deal. So this printer can really help you to close one more deal. Okay? And for those of you who want to shoot better property video yourself, right, you need a good camera that is very stable. So the best right now is a GoPro Hero 9 that allows you to shoot property photo that is steady because it comes with a built-in stabilizer, and the quality is amazing. And even if you are shaking or running, the whole video is very smooth. You got to see it for yourself to believe it, and that is worth almost $600. And for those of you who say, oh, those things don't interest me or I already have that, then I'm glad to tell you the price of $1,000 and $500 is for you to buy whatever you want, right? But don't anyhow spend, huh? Okay, and many of us need a really good makeover, and for that, one of the price is a professional makeover package from Makeover Inc. to really transform you so that you look good on brochure, on your flyers, as well on your social. Also, another price is video production, right? Where you get high quality video production package for you to do your listing presentation. And also there are many other prizes like even printers and small little things here and there, right? Lots of interesting prize to win. So if you haven't signed up for this event, please click on the link, right? Only those people who sign up before 17, that is, you must sign up by the 16 in order to qualify for the lucky draw. And for those of you who have already signed up, thank you very much for supporting, and make sure you turn up, because only those who turn up live will get to win the prizes. We got a lot of exciting things to announce to you, lots of goodies to be won. And I can tell you, I am very excited. Even my leaders who already know what I'm going to launch are very excited because it's going to change the way we connect, right? COVID-19 has caused us to be more distant, but with this, we are going to be more well connected. So if you are ready to shift up your next gear, see you at Upshift 2021.